I have 3 reasons to buy and live in a 2 or 3 unit building. If you're looking for a house for yourself or your family, please consider this kind of living, at least for the next few years. The benefits are amazing. If you love real estate, or you know whatever kind of job you have, you know the way to prepare for your financial future is owning real estate. This is the way to start. So stick with me and I will give you 3 tips about why this is a great idea. Did you know you'll need little money down with good credit, 3 to 5%, and you can get into the real estate market. Banks take into consideration 75% of existing lease income. So that will make you look even better. That rental income is going to help qualify you. Number 2, your tenants will be subsidizing your mortgage payments. There's more than principal and interest. There's insurance and taxes and maintenance. So your tenants are going to be paying a chunk of that so that you can gain the benefits. Number 3, you can be a little more selective in choosing a tenant. Did you know it's okay to discriminate in the following categories only if you live in the building? Attorneys. You do not have to rent to attorneys and students. You do not have to rent to students. Potential noisemakers. If you are a senior and noise is a problem, small children, as long as you live in the property, you do not have to rent. So you're concerned about how much will my payment be? Well, I'm glad you asked. Check out my next video on investing at Boston and the Burbs. I'm Karenobrienre. I'm a real estate broker. I am also an investment owner, and I can answer all your questions. So check out my next video, investing on Boston and the Burbs. Have a great day.